Alright, welcome back to the madhouse. We still have a pile of broken, well played with Joes. Some of them are rusty as far as screw goes, but we'll do, we're going to knock this one out circa, I believe this one's 1986. It is the Vipers Cobra Infantry. Should have a backpack and a rifle for accessories. I did find the pack. That should be the pack. No rifle. However, his screw was pretty rusty, but off camera I did manage to get it out. Didn't want to waste any time here, so we got that one out. I'm going to go ahead and take out these leg screws as well. We're going to do a refresh here. New screws, new O-ring, little cleanup in the process. And he will go into my collection. Maybe that screw will come all the way out, maybe it won't. Just using a little soap and water. I know these vids are riveting for everybody. Hope that leg came apart. Might have to try to... Man, I'm going to get stuck on this frickin' screw. I'll try to get some of that rust out of there. There we go. That was the trick. Man, that's crazy how nasty rusty some of this hardware got on these Joes. Set that aside. I don't know if any of those are salvageable. Let me try to get some vinegar and soak them in vinegar, huh? But for now, I just got new screw pack, the new O-rings from an Amazon kit, new T-bars if I need them. Let's splay him open. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Wow. Yeah. He's seen some action. He was in the thick of it. These old O-rings, look at that, just crumbly. Okay. I'll get a little cleanup underway. Like I said, I'm just using some... I'm actually going to set that in the water. Just some soap and dish soap water, some Dawn. I'll have to make sure they get dried off pretty good. I'm not going to sit here all day trying to clean these things up. A little Viper soup, anybody? Alright, all dried off. Let's see if we can't get him back together. I wonder if one of those like sonic cleaning things, like, you know, like you clean jewelry with or something, I wonder if that would work with these. Because I'll be honest, I didn't spend a lot of time scrubbing him up at all, because he is not in great shape anyway. But whoops, I'm going to flip this around. Just to see, it's still got a little discoloration in there, but he's much better than he was. Yeah, I don't know if one of those like sonic would work for these parts, or if it would like damage them, you know, not be worth it. Let me just, I don't know what I'm doing here. Let me put a screw in this leg here instead of trying to hold it all together. Put a new screw in it. Come on. Nice and snugged. Get the other one in place. Yeah, I don't know. Might be worth trying maybe on one of these and seeing. I say that, but I actually don't even have one of those. I'd have to go get one from like Harbor Freight. Always wanted one, but to clean other things with might be a nice reason. Excuse to get one. Get another screw. I just want to say thank you to all the people out there watching my stuff. Crazy channel here. I know it was a good, maybe 30 people gracing me with your views on these Joe vids, and I appreciate it. I really do. I really do. Gotta get a new O-ring in there. Where's my tweezers? Yeah, I can see his, you know, with this guy having his crotch piece broken. I didn't spend a lot of time cleaning him up because he's kind of a placeholder. Several of these that I have are kind of crotchless. Okay, but they are what they are. Actually, let's get the O-ring dipped around that center post in this torso first. Let's see if he'll sit there and not flip up on us. There we go. Sometimes they try to flip up. This guy's staying good, which is nice. There we go. Oh, we are almost back together with him. Bringing him back to life. Screw in the back. Snugged. There we go. All right. So we got us a Vipers, some Cobra Infantry action here. And you always need, he'll be good. You know, you can always have infantry. And yeah, just looking at, I mean, this should be his waist piece there. So I'm double guessing myself. Or is this his waist piece? Hold up. Hold up. I put the wrong waist piece on here. Yep. So we're not going to edit that out, but I'm about to take him back apart. This is from an eBay listing. It was a little easier to see some of these on eBay. You know, that coloring matches, and he's going to be good. So I'm over here talking about I didn't clean him up very well. Well, guess what? He actually has a better waist than I thought. Luckily, this will be pretty easy, I think, to swap out. Swap out. Get old crotchless waist out. Let me just swab this waist up a little bit. It's not too bad. It's got some. He was definitely in some battle. He got some white dirtiness residue in there. Oh man, amazing. Alright, got him dried off camera there. Let's do this again. This guy just became a little more valuable. There we go. Same thing. Go ahead and get the new band wrapped around the torso post. Oh man, that's already much better. I mean, he is still well played with, but at least he has he's fully functional. We'll leave it at that. Come on here. Come on now. Come on now. There we go. Make sure I got the right arms on the right side, correct side. Okay. Now, John Solar, we're gonna get this screw back in. Snug. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Much better. There we go. He is much better. Ooh, that even tightened up his head there a little bit too. Alright, there we go. And he does have his pack. I wish I had his rifle. He would be complete. Hopefully I can find that, but man, that is good to go. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm probably going to wind up having to clear this table off and work on them another day or two, but we'll see how many I can get through before I need to regain control of my hobby table. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Vipers Cobra Infantry. Boom.